Hello dear students, let's learn today about the real numbers. Real numbers can be defined as union of both rational and irrational numbers. They can be both positive or negative and can be denoted by the symbol R. All the natural numbers, decimals and the fractions are real numbers. Some of the examples of real numbers are 23, negative 12, 6.99 and 5 over 2 are some examples. Now, here we can see there are some rational number 5 over 3, 0.63, 0.012 bar. This also known as real numbers. Integers which are present on the number line such as negative integers and positive integers, they are also real numbers. Whole number which starts from 0, these are also real number, and the natural number which starts from the 1 are also known as real numbers. Real number denoted by the capital letter R. Let's understand more about that. What are whole numbers? So, whole numbers start from 0. Whole number always start from 0. It is represented by the symbol W. All whole numbers are not a natural number. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operation are possible on whole numbers. Some example of the whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to the infinite. Now there are some facts. All the natural numbers are whole numbers because natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and keep going on. So these are the example. These are also the whole numbers. All counting numbers are whole numbers. All positive integers are also including 0 are whole numbers. All whole numbers are real numbers. These are four important facts about whole numbers. So, whole numbers denoted by the letter W and it starts from 0. All the positive numbers are known as whole numbers such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and all the natural number are also known as whole numbers. Let's understand more. What are called the integers? Integers is a special set of numbers comprising 0, positive number and the negative number. Means integer has 0, positive numbers and the negative numbers. What are the examples are here? The examples are negative 1, negative 12, 6 and 15. These are the example of integers. Types of integers. So the integers are three types. The 0, which is neither a positive or neither a negative. It's a natural number and positive integers and the negative integers. Here we can see a number line where on the left hand side of the 0 we can see all the negative integers and on the right hand side of the 0 we can see all the positive integers. So these all are known as positive integers and these all are known as negative integers. So this is called the integers and these are also real numbers. So all the numbers which are available on the number line, which are present on the number line is called integers. What are positive numbers? Standard numbers, anything greater than 0 are described as the positive numbers. We don't have to put sign plus in front of the positive numbers because we don't need to. Since the general understanding is that number without a sign are positive, the easiest way to visualize negative and positive number is using the number line. Now here we can say the all the number which present on the right hand side on the number line is called the positive integers or positive numbers. If we are writing, let's say 10, then it's a understand that it's a positive 10. We don't have to mention that sign. So instead of writing positive 10, we can just write only the 10 and we can understand that this is the positive number. So we don't have to mention the positive sign before any positive number. It's a general understanding. So all the numbers which are present on the right hand side of the number line on the zero are called the positive numbers. These are also the real numbers. What are the negative numbers? So the negative numbers are just opposite of the positive number. Numbers which are less than 0 are known as negative numbers. Yes, the negative numbers are always lesser than 0. These have minus sign in front of them to indicate that they are less than 0. For example, minus 10, or you can write minus 10. So here is a 0. All the numbers which are coming on the left hand side of the 0 is called the negative numbers. Since for the positive number we don't have to mention plus sign, but for the negative number we have to mention -3, -5, -11, -15. This is how we can identify these are the negative numbers. Here, the negative numbers are also called as real numbers. Now, what is the fractions? So, the fraction is a number that represent a part of a whole. The fraction is a number which represent a part of a whole. Suppose a number has to be divided into the two parts, then it's represented as x over a 4. So, the fraction here x over a 4 defined as a 1/4 of the number. Hence, 1 over a 4 is the fraction here. It means 1 is a 4 equal parts. It can be read as a 1/4 part. Here we can see this is the one part of a circle, and when we divide it into the 4 equal parts, we denote it it's a 1 over a 4, 1 over a 4, 1 over a 4 and 1 over a 4. Means it's a quarter part of the 1 or it's a 1/4 part of the whole. This is the place values. Place value 29. This is the ones place and that's a tens place. Thank you so much for learning.